If the world of off-road vehicles had a king, it would definitely be the Chainlink 4x4, because it doesn't care what obstacle stands in its way. It will get over it. You've got to see this 196 cubic centimeters diesel bike. And here's the biggest bike ever, at a whopping 860 kilograms. Thanks to this navigation system, the visually impaired can find their way without a smartphone or maps. This gadget can make you a sniper of a photographer. This portable invention is bound to replace the primitive roadblocks we're used to. It protects the road and can stop even a huge truck. Anyone who has ever broken a bone will appreciate this comfy waterproof cast design. Without a doubt, this is the most powerful drilling device ever, capable of handling wood of any density. These aren't just special parking spaces, they're wireless charging stations for electric cars. Truly an invention of the future. It's hard to believe, but this aerodynamic shell allows a bicycle to reach speeds of over 140 kilometers per hour using less than 1 horsepower. What comes to mind when you hear the word invention? Maybe a phone or a computer? Well, there are also inventions that go beyond the everyday and dazzle us with their uniqueness and creativity. And that's exactly what we're going to show you today. Don't forget to use those awesome inventions we all know and love, the subscribe and notification bell buttons. Check out this LED fan that can bring your images into 3D space. You can now power your devices using these sneakers with a battery that charges by walking. By linking FiberBots together, you can create unique automated mechanisms with virtually no size limits.
One more time.
Believe it or not, these electric roller skates are controlled by hand gestures. Plus, it looks like you're riding a robot. This is the Enercon climbing crane, and it can climb and build even the tallest wind turbines by remote control. The Ungoverned Vendetta is the SUV of the skateboarding world, turning any terrain into a skate park, whether it be soil, sand, rocks, or even snow. This robotic arm not only restores the function of a lost limb, but also gives its owner superhuman strength and agility. These contact lenses will open a portal to a new world of the future thanks to augmented reality technology. Not even the strongest fire can withstand this fire extinguishing system, which ejects blasts of water at 420 kilometers per hour. The ways you can use this robot are endless. Its rotor wheels also give it the ability to fly at any moment. This compact drone means you don't even have to operate the camera because it will take footage of you on its own. Now enjoy the world's largest sphere-shaped LED screen that has no edges. This is one of the most futuristic designs ever. You're definitely going to love this device with propellers that enables you to swim like a fish. What if I told you that you could have a fun time with a group of 7 people on just one bike?
Yeah. Okay.
Here's a keyboard whose design can be changed at least every day thanks to a built-in Full HD display. This autonomous rescue backpack system can save a person's life if they need to jump out of a burning building. With this surf simulator, you can learn how to surf without having to rely on the weather. This machine allows you to reach even the most hard-to-reach parts of the farm. Now that's next-level farming. Take a look at this soft robot skin inspired by octopuses and just as flexible. A true masterpiece of bionics. No stylist can wash your head as well as this robot with head-shape tracking capabilities. With a retractable extra tire system, large vehicles no longer have to sacrifice width for good off-road capability. No, this isn't a movie prop. It's a real 3-meter exoskeleton controlled by a person. This external airbag deploys in an instant and protects the most vulnerable part of the car. Your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. This really is a hammer with a flexible handle, and it's even more effective than a traditional one. Don't feel like getting out of bed in the morning and going to work? Well, this smart bed is going to make that even harder because you'll want to live in it. Now watch this trailer transform into an entire house at the push of a button. Harry Potter tents don't seem so magical now. This aircraft doesn't even need an engine or landing gear, because that's what the pilot is for. This isn't just luggage, it's your personal assistant. The smart suitcase is equipped with a remote control, USB charger, and even a GPS tracker. Treadmills and spas are both good for your health, but combining them into one device yields double the benefits. What if I told you that this home is hiding an amazing secret? At the touch of a button, a hidden door opens from the porch to a huge garage. These glasses with special lenses will increase your field of vision, even allowing you to see behind you. This invention will keep pedestrians safe by raising a special barrier in front of cars when someone crosses the road. Why wait for waves to ride a surfboard when this one has pedals? This is a robot chef that can download any recipe and then repeat the movements of the world's greatest chefs, just to cook you dinner. You no longer have to worry about someone stealing your wallet, because this wallet is like a mini safe and has a tracking system. You will never oversleep again with this alarm clock, because you have to catch it to turn it off. This tattoo artist turned his prosthetic arm into an amazing tool that allows him to do tattoos. This tire doesn't need a rim and is impossible to puncture because it's airless. Proof that genius always flows towards simplicity. You don't need to get a new house when relocating, because now you can load your old house on this 6-axle modular air suspension trailer. You don't need a partner to improve your table tennis skills, because this robot is always up for a game. bet you haven't seen a bike with a huge chain and caterpillar tracks instead of wheels before. These high-tech gloves will make your childhood dream come true by allowing you to talk on the phone with that hand gesture. This eco-friendly bridge is as beautiful as it is efficient. Look, all these flowers are watered automatically by a moving mechanism. Want to change the color of your BMW iX? Just pick one on your smartphone and e-ink will do it in seconds. You don't need to use fire for grilling anymore, just the sun and this ingenious device. Someday we will forget what a subway is because we'll be traveling on hyperloops between stations at 170 kilometers per hour. No way! This AI robot will help your child develop mental skills and have fun while playing board games. Now check out this huge V8 diesel engine on a tiny boat. A traditional fire extinguisher seems so last century when you see how this high-tech fire shield works. This is the first eco-friendly mining device that is electrically powered and has zero emissions. This is truly a new era for mining. This rescue robot can find people and rescue them from a burning building. This AI-powered exoskeleton knows exactly when to provide a boost to your strength and agility. Check out the capabilities of this little robot assistant that can scan, take pictures, turn on a projector, play music or video, and make video calls. This Bigfoot doesn't care how much snow or how bad the road is. Its only mission is to get its driver to the destination. This is a real invisibility cloak. The special material renders any objects behind it almost invisible. And this invention can hide any object behind the lens by refracting light rays. Prepare to be amazed. These comfortable lightweight sneakers were made with a 3D printer in just a few minutes. This public transport doesn't have to stay on roads. It can also move on railways. This amazing device actually allows you to swim like a dolphin. There is no obstacle that this wheelchair can't overcome. It's a real tank chair. Amazing! This rear-view video system with HD monitor covers all the blind spots for large vehicles. Explore virtual reality on your feet with these shoes without moving in the real world. You just have to see how these kinetic doors close. It may look like a mirage in the middle of the forest, but this is a mirrored house that seems completely invisible from afar. This all-terrain hexapod robot seems to have come to us from another planet. No matter what kind of work you do, these gloves will definitely protect your hands. This electric car has pedals that allow you to drive and charge the battery. A truly endless engine. Now check out how this robotic kiwi picker works on a plantation. Don't judge an ATV by its size, because this little one can handle any terrain, even water. If you feel like two hands just isn't enough for what you need to do, this user-controlled robotic limb system can come to the rescue. This universal key can be linked to all your cars and even show you information about them on a touch screen. And this is what I call a smart house from the future. This jacket can adjust its temperature based on the weather outside. This device keeps a person from snoring and holds their airway open throughout the night.